Marketing mix does not include answer D. Pupil. Selling goods by producer to consumer involves which channel? Answer D. Zero label. Card box of shaving cream is example of answer B. Secondary packaging. Which of the following is a function of marketing? Answer D. All the above. The collection of utilities is known as answer C. Product. Products are not purchased but sold. With which point of view in this statement associated? Answer B. Sale. Which of the following is the example of Dunlop? Answer C. Brand name. Is objection to advertisement? Answer A. Undermines social values. Under which concept the companies push for the betterment of the quality of their products in their efforts for marketing? Answer B. Product concept. Under which philosophy of marketing efforts are made to bring down the cost of production to the minimum? Answer A. Production concept. Which of the following is the factor of marketing mix? Answer D. All the above. Customer satisfaction alone can ensure success. Which marketing concept holds this view? Answer C. Marketing concept. Develop relationship. Answer D. Public relation. Which of the following is a sales promotion activity? Answer D. All the above. Sales promotion is helpful is making effective. Answer C. Both the above. Point of view lays stress upon customers' welfare. Answer D. Social marketing. Dash where this is accomplished between buyers and sellers through a medium of phone, letter or through medium of internet. Answer A. Market. Which of the statement is not true for selling? Answer B. Aims at maximizing sales. With which element is exchange mechanism related? Answer B. Marketing. Which one of the following is the marketing management philosophy? Answer A. Societal marketing concept. After concept testing, a firm would engage in dash for developing and marketing a new product. Answer A. Marketing strategy development stage. The word shampoo in English is derived from the dash shampoo. Answer C. Hindi word. The term market may be understood in which of the following contexts? Answer D. All of the above. Dash is the marketing function which is concerned with informing the customers about the firm's products. Answer A. Transportation. Registering a trademark gives dash to the users. Answer B. Fame. Dash is the deliberate action of an organization for promoting goodwill between itself and the society. Answer C. Public relations. Dash ensures that products reach the ultimate consumers from the manufacturers. Answer C. Physical distribution. The key consumer markets consist of dash. Answer D. All of the above. Under which of the following conditions does a business need not maintain high level of inventory? Answer B. When high degree of accurate sales forecast can be made. SWOT analysis is a strong part of dash. Answer A. Marketing. Dash activities start after the product has been developed. Answer A. Selling. Which of the following is the part of marketing mix? Answer D. All of the above. Which of the following is the feature of marketing process? Answer D. All of the above. Under the concept of marketing management, marketing is done keeping dash as a focus. Answer A. Consumer. Dash involves designing and producing container or wrapper of the product. Answer D. Packaging. Marketing is called a dash process because it involves interaction of buyers and sellers. Answer B. Social. What is the difference between marketing and selling? Answer B. Selling is a part of marketing activities. Which of the following is not a part of place and promotion? Answer A. Warranties. For heavy equipment, which of the following channels is more relevant? Answer A. Zero level. Which one of the following promotion tools has mass reach? Answer A. Advertising. Mail order selling is a dash channel of distribution. Answer A. Direct. Under which of the following situations is a company not likely to fix a lower price for its product? Answer B. If the demand for a product is inelastic. Which of the following are strategies involved in marketing? Answer D. All of the above. Which of the following are the important role of marketing? Answer D. All of the above. This section covers MCQs on basis of marketing. Answer D. Philip Kotler. In the history of marketing, when did the production period end? Answer C. In the 1920s. Which one of the following is not a marketing mix? Answer D. Production process. Which of the following is not a function of marketing? Answer A. Bending the customers according to product. Dash refers to further packaging components necessary for storage and transportation. Answer A. Transportation package. Discounts, coupons, contests, free samples, and offering extra quality, etc. are the example of dash. Answer C. Sales promotion. Which of the following can be marketed? Answer D. All of the above. Which of the following is a brand name? Answer D. All of the above. The basic role of marketer is to dash. Answer D. Identify a need and fill it. Which one of the following factors is not relevant to price fixation? Answer B. Age of an organization. Select an appropriate definition of want. Answer C. Needs directed to the product. Dash is the best illustration of a subculture. Answer C. Religion. Marketing segmentation is useful for dash. Answer B. To know the customer's taste and preference. Which one of the following statements by a company chairman best reflects the marketing concept? Answer A. We have organized our business to satisfy the customer needs. Which of the following is not the function of packaging? Answer B. Pricing objectives. Which of the following statements is not true with regard to the concept of product? Answer C. It is confined to physical product.